Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to remove and replace a fender on a BMW 5 Series that should be from 2003 all the way until 2009. You cover the models E60 and E65. Okay, you can see what we have here, and we will need to remove that fender. You need to be replaced, so we will show you how to remove it, and installation will be exactly the same way. We take it apart. We will need to jack the car up, because probably we will need to take the tire off. We will see, we might not, but we might have to, because some clips could be pretty rusted there. So we're gonna take the tire off now, the wheel. Okay, right there, we took the tire off. It's possible to do it without taking the tire off, but it's easier. It probably even will be quicker. So we have a few clips that we need to push the inner piece in, and those sometimes you have to replace them with new one because it's almost impossible. Okay, to find the inner piece. Let's see, we'll take this one out, I think. Maybe not. Those are really pain in the butt, to be honest with you. So one of them already broke, this piece went in. Okay, you can hear the pieces popping out. Now the clip will come out. Okay, like that, and they should be in the fender, so when we remove the fender we might be able to find them. Next, with 8mm we need to remove the 2 screws. Okay, that hold the fender liner there. So we can pull it to the side now. And one of our black things just came off. Okay, another one right there. The best way to remove that actually, guys, will be to remove the side skirt, but you can just pull it to the side like we did. We'll have to get it in later because that fender is crumbled now really bad. And inside right here there is a bolt. Okay, this bolt right here that we'll need to remove, and there is one more after that. Well, let's show you the other one. Ours is broken actually. Okay, it's the one, let me see if I can, the one down there, this one as well. So we need to remove those two with 10mm socket now. All we have to do actually just loosen that one. You don't even have to remove it all the way. Okay, it came out of there now. We're gonna go ahead and remove 3 more screws with 8mm there, that 2 of them actually that hold the fender liner there. We want to see what else is attached to the fender. And we have that 10mm here for the bumper. And those sometimes tend to corrode pretty bad, guys, so okay, that's what it looks like, just a regular screw. Now we'll need to remove a couple more there, so we can pull it to the side if we can find our socket. Losing the tools today is not the day. Then you can, guys, just pull the fender liner to the side like that, and from our head probably not able to see anything. And right there we have 2 more bolts with a 10mm that we need to remove. Actually it's pretty long screws. Okay, like that, we got those out. And now we need to open the hood, and we'll have a few more there with a 10. Okay, right there, we'll get to those in a little bit. Now we have one inside the door here. And stay with us to show you which one actually broke for us, because it's hard to show you the way it's scrambled now. Okay, we have these two to remove now. Next, in the corner, right there, we need to remove that plastic nut here that's holding. Here we most likely have a bolt underneath this one there. And we have one bolt right here with a 10 again. If we can get to it somehow. Okay, removing it out of there now. You just need to loosen it. Now there is a couple clips that you need to pull out here. And this piece will come out, and underneath you need to get one more loose. Just don't take it off all the way. This one you can just get it loose a little bit. The fender should slide out. And we have these three now to remove here. To see how that's going to be. Okay, like that. And now we need to find out, we need to remove the wire here. Ours popped out, otherwise you get it from the back in. And let's see if we have anything else holding now, because it's still not coming out quite well. And that's why it's good, guys, to watch the video until the end. We missed two more right there. Okay. One is out, one more, because it's still holding there. Opa, and it came out. Now we need to mess around the side skirts, we don't need to remove the whole thing. And the fender is out, guys. Okay, that's the broken bolt that I was talking about. Ours is broken, so we didn't have to remove it. That's where it was supposed to be. But that will be the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.